Hi there, thanks for joining me. Back on the Mooncool TK1 electric trike.
Live vehicle coming through.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to...
What a fantastic bit of kit. It is really well made. The last video was the putting it together, the unboxing. We did the review and the test on it. Today, we're taking it to its new owner. This is his story. Right, let me start by telling you what this is all about. Why did I want one of these? I've got a good friend. How can I put this? He's getting on a bit, bless him. Now, he always rode his horses with his wife, and they used to have fantastic times on the horses. Now, his wife, she's slightly fitter than what he is, and she can still ride the horse, but Del, he's struggling. He can't get on the horse anymore. He wants to go for rides with him still, because, you know, he likes the social aspect of it. He said, "Ant, can you find me a trike that I can use on a beach?" So it needs wide tyres. He says, "I need it to be electric because my legs ain't no good no more." He says, "I want to be able to ride with Lisa and the horses and still enjoy life." So there was a few things we've got to sort out here. Most of these trikes are front wheel drive. This one, the Mooncool TK1, is rear wheel drive. It's got a hub motor at the back that drives the back wheels, so it's not going to get bogged down in soft sand. It will continue to pull.
So hopefully this is going to be the key to everything, and Del and Lisa are going to be happy again.
So we're hoping this is going to be absolutely spot on for him. He's going to be able to ride it, and yeah, it's going to be a great end to the story. Let's get it over to the stables. It's well loaded up.
But that basket takes all of that, no problem at all. It is super strong.
If you used to ride a bike, lost your confidence, this is just perfect. It really is. It's so stable. And you can get on these little rides down the towpaths and on the little trails. Get some of your freedom back and thoroughly enjoy yourself. Oh, this is like a Rolls Royce, I tell you. Oh, hey, it's General Lee colours as well. Hey, look at that beauty.
Got some sand here, haven't
Yeah. On the sand. Oh, it's soft. Oh no. Oh no. I'm bogged down. Oh, I'm bogged down. What'd you say? So let me take the what's it off. Let me take my thingy off the back. Let me take my thingy off the back. That's a bit heavy. It is deep, that is, isn't it? Let's get rid of this. It's heavy.
Is it comfortable and all?
Yeah, I've done like 50. Well, we've done 50 mile on it.
On one charge?
35 on a charge. Did 35 mile on a full charge.
That was all right, wasn't it?
Well, it is. It's mega weight. It's great. Great bit of kit. Let's get rid of this weight.
It can fold down.
Yeah, folds in the middle.
Oh, blimey.
Are you right there? You're good?
Yeah, very good, yeah. Oh, fun, you.
Can you ride it, Odell? That's the question. Can you ride it?
Yeah. You turn it round then. You turn it round.
If it gets booked off, he'll be on sand.
You come on. How tall are you?
You turn it round. I'm saying, Mike.
Oh, let me drop you down a bit. Let's drop the saddle down a bit. Let's drop the saddle down a bit. Right, let's go for that. Right, okay. Yeah, handlebars. Drop the handlebars down a little bit and all. Just go down a tad on them.
I like handlebars.
Let's go like that.
Could be kit in it then.
Amazing.
Right, so I think it's dead simple. So I think the easiest thing to do, because going straight onto that, you're gonna make it's gonna be harder. But I'll walk with you. Let's walk with you up the slope. So jump on here.
Dale's gone to sleep.
You want to go
now.
on the sand? Or?
I'll follow him. I've got him, Lisa. I've got him. Don't worry. It's not. It ain't quick. It's not gonna. It ain't gonna race off like a.
No, it just goes as fast as that.
Do you want to go lower with the seat? That's the first thing. Is that about right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just a gentle press on that. You don't go flying off.
Is
So
this brake
that's your. Yeah, that's it. So.
That's the handbrake, is it?
But yeah, both brakes, front and back.
Oh, both handbrakes.
Yeah, both brakes. Oh, he's a natural. He's a natural.
Oh, that's all right, at least.
He's a natural. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely.
Get yourself up that gravelly path, look. Get up that gravelly path. Soaks up the bumps, doesn't it?
I doubt if I go up on the sand with it, though, do you?
Well, I think it will. I think it would. Depends how soft it is. Depends how really, like, I mean, because you can push it as well. You know, you can walk alongside it. If you got stuck, if you got off it, it would definitely pull itself across this really soft bit. But if you get a bit of momentum with it, it goes across some really soft. I've been through some really soft stuff with it.
I know.
Well, like that.
You're tempted to put your feet down, aren't you?
Yeah, well, you don't go around. Go.
Yeah, but you're tempted to put your feet down.
So you can pedal. You can just press that button and away you go. Oh, Del, it suits you. This does.
Go flat. Oh,
Got to keep feet up. Keep feet up. Yeah, you're all right. It won't tip up. It's really stable. Come back! He's gone. That's awesome, mate, that is.
you're just tempted to put your feet down, aren't you?
You'll soon get used to that, though. You'll get over that. You've done really well, mate, honestly. For getting on that and riding it like that straight away, that is brilliant. But like I say, even over the rough stuff, it's really stable. Go on, get in that sand. Get some welly in there. Get a bit of a run up at it. Go on, get some beadage. Get across there, see how it coats. Like I say, you can give it a little hand with the pedal as well if you do get a little bit stuck, if you're struggling. Yeah, you see, it's all right on that. It's just the really soft stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's marvellous. That's marvellous. The horses just go along at a slow pace and I can just do that, see, look.
Yeah, well, you can go right down in speed because at the minute that's on 5.
Oh, what's that? Is that
So if that's the fastest, so you can go down to like 1.
Oh, right.
And now you'll notice it'll just be like, does about, I think it's 6 miles an hour on 1.
That's what I need to do, a couple of turns like that. Yeah, that's good there.
He's a natural though, he's a natural, Lise.
Oh, here's Zoe. We've got a convoy. This is a good selling point though for these, isn't it?
That was a perfect send-off, that was the horse neighing.
All terrain I am.
Yeah, look.
That's what I like, you can relax with it. Now,
Yeah.
you see, when I'm following the horse I can be relaxed.
Yeah, you don't have sat in the car, do you?
No.
We've not been up here for a while.
And yeah, that's what the two nuns said. Cycling through Paris, one said to the other, I've never come this way before, have you? And that must be the cobblestones.
Oh, it's a lovely day for it, Lise. Yeah, left on the left-hand side. I think you'll fit through that one. Yeah, you'll get through there. That's it. Go on, you're through. Done it. Easy.
Bloody hell, not butt me off.
This is the one.
No screaming. No screaming, alright?
Oh, it's like a marriage made in heaven, look.
We're going talking.
Well, you go in the back of there, an old sack of spuds. Oh no, it's Lisa.
How sturdy is that?
Well, do you want to get in the
Yeah, I
front?
think I could get
You want to get in the front?
Yeah, why not?
Take the camera off.
Oh, God.
Hey, I tell you what, at least you've proven the versatility of it, haven't you? Dell's tuk-tuk.
Hey, you can make some money out of this, Del.
Yeah, yeah.
Are we stuck? Should we turn it
Oh, let's get you a push. Let's get you a push round. Oh, we're getting there. Look, we're getting there. That's it. We're off.
Taxi for free.
Look at the lock on that. It's incredible.
Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Flying, look.
Turns on a
Flying.
sixpence, look.
It's wild horses and then they're flying.
So what do you reckon, Del? Do you think it'll do the job?
Certainly will. I'm up for it.
Del's got his trike. He can ride with Lisa on the horses and
Yeah.
everybody's happy.
And we've got the village bikes with us. We just found them on the way.
Start charging for the pub taxi, Dell.
This is it.
Yeah.
Run backs from the pub, yeah? £10,
Yeah.
£10,
£10
yeah?
a time, soon have to pay for
£5 for the front basket,
Well,
£10 for the back, yeah. Brilliant, I'm really pleased, mate. I'm happy
yeah, very tough.
it does the job, it works. It's a fantastic result.
Yeah, definitely.
If you enjoyed this video, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.